Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm doing a prank on my aunt and my mom, and my sister's gonna be in it. Sorry for the crazy look at my bonnet on. I'm gonna be using fake blood and pretend that I coughed up blood. So I'm gonna set the camera up. Hopefully you guys can see. The phone's just gonna be here. I'm gonna put the blood in. Alicia. Okay. Alright, so she's coming. So just hold the camera while I... Did you have makeup on? Mm-hmm. Why's your lips?
Oh, I was playing with the lip liner.
Should I put it on the tissue? Should I actually put it in my mouth?
No, you're not supposed to ingest it. I should put it in the lip. But try not to. If you get it in your mouth, you gotta make sure you get it all out when you're done.
I see people put it in their mouth though.
I know you're not supposed to. You see people do a whole bunch of dumb shit. Don't mean you're supposed to be doing it. It looks like lipstick. Have it. Have it drip. A little more. Yeah. Have people on the other side so it can be. Yeah, okay.
Yeah, let's hide this.
It's in your mouth.
So we're gonna go to May, and we're gonna get that contact blood. So just follow me, make sure you can see. I think I'm sick. I coughed up blood. What? Coughed up blood. I wonder why. I have no heat from your mouth. Yeah.
30 minutes into the wedding reception, and Carlotta and Cyrus finally received their appetizers. Absolutely have to try it.
Wait.
You still look fabulous, by the way. You should be covering GQ, you front cover, Captain Dick. It's all good, but I'm waiting for our chef to put me in charge of your Let's go. In the red kitchen, the women appear to have put their differences aside and are getting out their appetizers.
And that was from coughing. Did you sort of gag?
Yeah.
Okay, go inside and wash your face. Show
Mom?
I do want you to show your mom.
Okay. Mom? I coughed up blood.
Andy, I'm not sure what this is from.
What is what from?
Her coughing up blood.
Is it a lot?
It's, I'm more concerned that it's bright red, it's fresh.
Does anything hurt you?
When I cough, when I breathe.
You need to talk.
Well, when did that start?
I don't know, like yesterday.
I don't know if it's the dryness, but I think we need to make an appointment for her to see.
Yeah, the doctor.
Yeah.
It's not that much, right?
I mean, it wasn't a lot, I guess. It did it in the tissue.
Also, you have to remember she gets nosebleeds all the time,
Right.
and that's all connected together.
Yeah.
Property
Yeah.
But I do think it's time, and, you know, I know you don't want to hear the Sakina, but you need blood work done. You know, because of your diet, you may not be getting a sufficient amount of everything you need.
Yeah,
That's
Okay.
true.
yeah. But guess what?
What?
This is a prank. It's fake blood. It's a prank. It's fake blood. It's fake blood. It's fake blood. It's a prank.
I'm so sorry. I tried.
It's fake blood. Look up.
My hands are, come here, Cookie.
No, I didn't do nothing. I'm not.
You knew.
She told me. It's still recorded. Well, that was a success.
She told me.
It was a prank. And it was a success. They believed me.
I'm gonna feed her. I have your permission?
They believed me. It was fake blood.
Mom said I can beat you with the fly swatter.
No. Well.
That's what your mother said.
Oh. Well, it went well. It was a prank. And look at me. It's fake blood.
I'm gonna hurt you.
Just letting you know. It was fake blood. So, well, I don't know how much this recorded, but if you like, please like and subscribe to my channel, and there will be more. This is just a low grade, but there will be more. So please like and subscribe to my channel. If you like this video, I know I'm looking crazy, but it was worth it. It was really worth it. Bye.